Hi, hello. Good wishes to everyone. We are back to our social class. See, we are going to discuss about that. See, this is your history, lesson 3. Yes, so we are going to study about that. The second, that is history, lesson 3. From chiefdoms to empires. What? From chiefdoms to empires. See, what does mean by chiefdoms? See, chiefdoms, that is leaders. Yes, so leader, one of the person that is who is leading the person or a place. Yes, so that is known as chiefdoms. Yes, so the process of becoming leaders to, that is empires. King in Tamil, Perarasu, right? The Tamil meaning is Perarasu, right? So the process of becoming leader to, that is king. Yes, that is the chiefdoms to empires. So we are going to seek about this. Yes, see here, first one is, that is Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. See what is mean by both, that is Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. See, these two are the places where the people are living. Yes, so where the people can live, especially king and queen can rule that place. Yes, the residential place of, that is king or queen, right? That is the Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. See, both are same. Yes, see, let's see about that deeply. Janapadas were the earliest gathering places of men. See, already I told you that is Janapadas were the, that is earliest ancient period. Yes, so earliest old period. Yes, that is old man. This earliest gathering places of men, right? So gathering place, that is gathering people. The group of people can live in that place. That is ruled by the king or queen, right? So Janapadas is a place. Yes, and later it is converted into, that is, it became as a Mahajanapadas. So both are same, right? See here, later Janapadas became, that is republics. What? It become, that is a republic in Tamil, Kudiyarasu, right? So it already, it was a simple place, but later it became as a republic, right? So Kudiyarasu or smaller kingdoms. So I told you that kingdom means what? In Tamil, Tamil meaning Rajyam. Yes, where the king or queen can live. Residential place of king or queen. That is the kingdom, right? So growth in, that is source. Yes, after the growth in source, it became what? Mahajanapadas. So Janapadas is converted into Mahajanapadas. Yes, so that's all about this. And Gangetic Plain created the formation of larger territorial units, transforming Janapadas into Mahajanapadas. So as I told you before, see here, it is Gangetic Plain. Plain means what? Yes, Samaveli. Yes, which is used for agriculture work. That is farming process. Yes, so Gangetic Plain created that. So this can prepare the, yes, formation of larger territorial units. So forming the larger territorial units. What is mean by the word territorial? That is Perum Parapu. Yes, Parapalavu. Yes, that is higher spreads, right? So territorial units. It is eligible for measuring. Yes, for measurements. So that is the territorial units, right? So that is Gangetic Plain created the formation of, yes, so formation of larger territorial units, right? So larger, such a large territorial units. Transforming, that is transforming means what? What is the meaning of this? This idam matra. Yes, so transforming Janapadas into Mahajanapadas. So it is changing its position and place from Janapadas into Mahajanapadas. That is, it became as a Mahajanapadas. So later it discovered as what? The name Mahajanapadas. Yes. So next one is 16 Mahajanapadas. Yes. So Mahajanapadas is a, that is, place which is derived from the word Janapadas. The place name Janapadas. Right. So it consists of what? See here, 16 Mahajanapadas. So 16 places. So Mahajanapadas means the group of places which contains 16 places, right? See here, great countries. That is what are all the great countries there. So that will involve, that will present it Mahajanapadas, right? See here, it dotted the Indo-Gangetic plain in the 6th century BC. So it dotted, that is, it mentioned, it marked the Indo-Gangetic plain. See, plain means, already I told you that Samaveli, it is used for agriculture work. Yes, so that is well grown. Yes, so well growth it contains what? Well growth, yes, for agriculture work, right? So that is the plain, and it dotted the Indo-Gangetic plain, means in other words northern plain. So Indo-Gangetic plain means northern plain. In the 6th century BC, that is before Christ, கிறிஸ்துவ பிறப்பிற்கு முன்பு, that is 6th century, right? They based an agrarian society of trade and exchange. So it is based on, yes, that is Chand, right? So based on agrarian means what? Agriculture society. So Vivasaya Samungam, right? So of trade and exchange. Trade means that is import, process of import and export, and exchange, that is transport. What? So exchanging, that is transport. It is also the meaning of that is transport, exchanging process. So hence an organized and a strong system of governance required a centralized state apparatus. See here, apparatus means what? Karuvi. The Tamil meaning is Karuvi, right? So hence an organized and a strong system of governance. See, governance means what? The manner of governing, right? So manner of governing require, yeah, it is needed, yeah, centralized state apparatus. So centralized, yes. So that is மையப்படுத்தப்பட்ட, right? So மையப்படுத்தப்பட்ட மாநில கருவி, right? So they need that, yes. So this system, so organized system need what? That is governing. It require a centralized state apparatus. Centralized state apparatus. This மையப்படுத்தப்பட்ட மாநில கருவி, right? So then here Magadha, that is Magadha in Bihar. See, what are the 4 basic Mahajanapadas? Are they? See here, Magadha in Bihar, then Avanti in Ujjain, then there's Kosala in eastern Uttar Pradesh. Yes, then Vatsa in Kausalvi, that is which is in Allahabad. Yes, so these are the 4 major, that is place of Mahajanapadas, right? So what are they? Let me repeat that. Magadha in Bihar, Avanti in Ujjain, Kosala in eastern Uttar Pradesh, and Vatsa in Kausambi, which is in Allahabad. So these are the 4 major, that is places of Mahajanapadas. So that's all about the fact of, that is Janapadas and Mahajanapadas, and 16 Mahajanapadas and 4 major places of Mahajanapadas. Yes, so I hope you'll understand. Let's see in the next class. Thank you so much.